Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a professional CV using Canva in 2025. So for that, first of all, come at canva.com and then log in into your account. Over here, you will see your Canva dashboard and this type of search bar. So here you can either type CV or resume. Once you are able to find a bunch of different resume and CV templates, you can either select any of these in which you are interested. Let's say I'm interested in this one, so you will have to click on it and click on the customize this template option. If you want to create your own design, simply click on the create blank option and then you will be landed on this type of page. So since I want to customize the pre-made templates because these are pre-made and I just have to change the details here. So in order to customize the text, you will have to select the text and over here you will have to add your let's say contact information. First of all, provide your name, your email address, your home address, then add the information about the skills that you have, the languages that you use, and a bunch of other details. In the bullet points you will see the skills and the responsibilities, so you need to just click on any of these and you will have to type your work experience and your educational background according to the format of this particular template. You need to go to the top bar over here and choose your preferred font. Let's say if you want to change it to any other font, simply select the text, click on this text option. From this list you can select any of the texts of your choice. You can make it bold, italic, or anything that you want. Then you can select its size by clicking on the size option, and if you want to change its color, simply click on the color tab and you can give it a black color, let's say. So you can stick to the main two colors to keep it more professional. If you need extra section like certifications or language, you need to click on the elements option, or you can even duplicate these types of boxes over here by pressing Ctrl+C and V here. So once you are done with your CV, you need to click on the share option in the top right hand corner and you can download in the form of PDF. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.